Hi friends! Welcome back to Tumble Jumble. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to discover why beaches are so special. Are you ready? Let's go! Have you ever seen the tide change at the beach? That's called tides and ebbs. The moon and the sun pull the water towards them, creating high and low tides. It's like a giant dance of gravity in the sky. Now, can you guess why the moon and sun affect the tides? Tides change every 6 hours. Some places have big tides called spring tides. Look at all this sand. Over millions of years, waves and currents break down rocks and shells into tiny pieces, creating the soft sand we love to play in. It's like nature's own sandbox. Have you ever built a sandcastle at the beach? What did you use? Sand is made of tiny rocks and minerals. Different beaches have different colors of sand. See those coconut trees? They look so tall and strong, right? But did you know they can't live forever on the beach? Coconut trees need fresh water to survive, and salt water from the ocean isn't good for them. That's why they eventually die on the beach. What do you think coconut trees need to grow besides water? Coconuts can float in water and travel long distances. Coconut trees can live up to 80 years in the right conditions. Why do you think people feel so comfortable on the beach? It's because the sound of waves, the soft sand, and the warm sun create a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere. Plus, there's so much space to run, play, and explore. Who wouldn't love it here? What's your favorite thing to do at the beach? Beaches can be made of sand, pebbles, or even shells. Seashells are homes of tiny sea creatures called mollusks. Thanks for joining me on this beach adventure, friends. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tumble Jumble for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye.